Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to a Bank of America account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. This may be listed as two-step verification or similar. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select a verification method, such as receiving a text message or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting a verification method, you may need to enter a code sent to you for confirmation. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Bank of America account. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive verification codes without issues.